What is up guys, another site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your ChatGPT like this in n8n. So I'll just first delete it, and then you need to create a new workflow in n8n and then click on add first step. From here you need to search for ChatGPT and click on OpenAI. After clicking on OpenAI you need to click on messaging model. After clicking on messaging model you need to click on this credential to connect with and then click on create new credential. After that you will require an API key, and to get the API keys you need to head over to the platform.openai.com, and then you need to click on create new secret key. After that you need to name your key, and after naming your key you need to click on create secret key. After clicking on create secret key, a secret key will appear. Copy this and then head back to n8n and paste this. After pasting, click on save, and then the credential will be successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. And after that you need to choose the model that you want to message with. I'll choose GPT 4.1, and when you're done just simply execute that step. So this is how you can set up your ChatGPT in n8n. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.